In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple sources into single notebook in NotebookLM. If you're gathering research from around the web, bringing everything into one place lets you ask better questions and keep context together. NotebookLM makes that easy, and I'll walk you through the exact clicks from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type NotebookLM and look for the official Google result labeled something like Google NotebookLM AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. Click that official link. A quick tip here, make sure the address is a Google domain so you know you're in the right place. On the landing page, select Try NotebookLM. If you're prompted, sign in with your Google account to continue. That puts you into the app so you can start organizing your material. Next, either create a brand new notebook or open one you already have. New notebooks are great when you're starting a fresh project. Existing notebooks help you keep related sources together over time. Once your notebook opens, you'll see controls for building it out. Click Add Sources. This is where you tell NotebookLM what to reference. You'll see several options, and for this walkthrough, we're focusing on websites, so choose Websites. That opens a field where you can drop in links. Now paste the links to the sites you want to include. You can add multiple at once, which saves a lot of time. For best results, paste one URL per line, use the direct article or page link rather than a home page, and make sure the pages are publicly accessible. If a page is behind a paywall or requires sign-in, it may not import correctly. Clean, well-formed URLs tend to process faster and produce better summaries and citations. When you're ready, click Insert. NotebookLM will fetch each page, analyze the content, and attach them to your notebook as sources. You should see them appear in the Sources panel. If something fails to load, double-check the URL for typos, make sure it isn't blocked by the site, and try inserting it again. That's it. You searched for NotebookLM, opened the official site, tried NotebookLM, opened or created a notebook, clicked Add Sources, chose Websites, pasted multiple links, and hit Insert. With your sources in one notebook, you can explore, synthesize, and reference them all in a single place. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.